lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, we're gonna get set up in the office. We're gonna get everything set up in the office. Let me go ahead and share the screen back to the czar. Why is it two of them? Okay, now share screen. um, well, I can't actually do that. I can't do that. It's not gonna actually let me. Yeah, no. I might as well just put that down. Pull this one back up. No, that's not what I meant to do, and you know it. Oh, you're playing. Half screen that, half screen that, so I can see how Euro's kind of screwing me over. Not really. She fell. I mean, I'm still in profit. I just thought she was gonna fall farther faster. Maybe. Yeah, most definitely farther faster. Okay, let's pull up the YouTube. There we go. Yeah, we're back. We're good. I think. Okay, so why can't I see? Hmm. Is it? Well, I mean, like as far as my YouTube studio is telling me looks good, but on my phone it's like, nah, dude, that ain't it, bro. Oh, there it is. No, we're cool. I got that in the corner store right there.
What am I forgetting right
Not sure, my love. Oh, shit. Are you leaving right now? Sorry, mom.
Yeah.
Just trying to let that charge for a second.
Where's the keys? They're not on there.
I'll find it. I'll be here.
Okay.
I gotta clean up and shit.
I don't even need that actually. You said what?
So I gotta clean up and shit. I thought I moved everything.
Alright. Well, I need to go. What are you doing? Why are you doing that? Oh, can you put some contact solution in my eyes real quick? Do that there while we do that. Come on, fast, fast.
Be conservative with you.
Okay, the food should be here between noon and 2.
All right, chat. Let's get to the office. Um, gonna have to kind of maneuver everything. Gotta maneuver everything. So many cards. So many cards. Get microphones and all that stuff plugged in and in front of me and whatnot. You know, just get the real deal, Holyfield shebang going on. Now I gotta hurry up because I'm gonna have to plug in this laptop like real soon. You know, they might just died on me. Hold on, I'm gonna put you down right there for a second. While I put this down, here for a second. Now I gotta run and grab that charger because Apple not forgetting with that last 38 seconds you got to, you know, get it plugged in. You dig what I'm saying? I ain't trying to have the live stream end on me again. That's annoying as hell. Plug it in out here. All right. All right. We're in business. We're in business indeed. We're in business indeed, chat. Indeed we are. Indeed we are. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oy. Oy vey. Alright. And I gotta get this set up how it's supposed to be. Cause it's supposed to be looking over there at the corner where the chart's at. Not my ugly mug. A washer? It don't matter. Alright. Move that around. So I can move that around. Perfection. I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Now, before I had got a little interrupted before. I was about to draw a trend line from here to here and here to here to show that this uptrend that we were in was getting weak. You dig what I'm saying? So we were likely going to get a pullback opportunity either at or around um once we got into like between these two right here. She tapped the top of this little wick, got that indecision wick right there in the last 5 minutes, and then she closed up under this equilibrium. And since she closed up under the equilibrium, that's gonna push price to go to this little pullback entry. I mean, little combination of factors give us information on what's going on in front of our eyes. So if I were to put a fib on from here to here, well, where it just wicked to is like, you know, perfect. It's like the golden zone. I meant to like state that so it was a little more apparent. Let's turn this brightness down some. I think that might do some justice. All right. Clip that, Twitch. Hey, dude, to the face. Uh, yes, that you read that correctly. That says trigger finger. She bounced right off the trigger point. Actually, I like that better. Trigger point. Now let's see how she finishes reacting off of this little trigger point. Take all that shit away. I'm gonna make this. Hey, doobies to the face. Fuck that. 12 bottles in the case, nigga. Fuck that. 2 pills in a halfway. Fuck that. High tolerance when your age don't exist. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist. Man, I swear my tripping off this again. That was my song, yeah. On Easy With Me. On Easy With Me. She's settling in a little bit. Nice. I like the angles. I think I do. I do like. Chat, what y'all think about the angles as far as like how this look? I mean, I know it definitely look like basic, but like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I know I look crazy with this in my head. I just got my hair done and like um I didn't crochet this that much, so I left this in. Lock ass know what it is. Let me make it. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger for better view. Slide over to the TDB Network YouTube channel because that's where it's at. Actually, like it's just a straight up like screen share over there. You feel me? So it might just be a little bit easier to look at for real, for real. I mean, I know y'all got good vision and all, but um, just like reading the numbers and stuff on the chart, it's just gonna be a little better over on the tube of view. So she seems to not want to go too much lower than that reaction point here. Yeah, we're bouncing off of it. Let's look at it in the 3 minute. Is that candle gonna go bullish? Nope. It went higher. It wasn't bullish though. Hey, let me see the 1 minute. All right, so yeah, divergence broke to the downside. We don't need those anymore. We know what happened. And that's what gave us this sell into our golden zone. Low. It's gonna break that low. Pop up a little bit. Gonna break that low again. Sorry, it's early. I'm yawning. Made this low. Just broke it right there. It's gonna pop up a little bit, break that low again, and then it's gonna slide off. I'm gonna get more buys. While that happens, remember this trade is secured. If you're in this trade, secure it, stop loss at break even, and you know we'll find more entries. But I'm about to go hop in the shower real quick, and then I gotta do some cleaning up. I'm about to put on some royalty free music. It's good music though, but it's music, so I won't get copyrighted by none of these services or whatnot while we chilling. So let me go grab the other laptop so I can put that on for y'all. Just give me a second.
how they're growing so fast. They're hiring freelancers. Look what they're doing with AI experts.
Unbelievable. That dog almost looks real.
Okay, fuck with the ass. I gotta get y'all one with no ass. My fault. My fault. Here we go. No ass. My fault. That is our entry. We're back at entry. That's why I said before I left, this is a secure trade. But divergence don't lie. Divergence don't lie, I tell ya. I thought it was just pulling back a little bit. She was pulling back a whole lot. We knew she was gonna go. She's sliding a little soft though. We did it do. What next, Drip? You're wondering? Nothing. It's gonna keep going higher. What's Nasdaq doing though? Nasdaq coming back down. Why do I feel like USDZAR and Nasdaq are kind of correlating? I don't like that. I haven't been trading USDZAR that long. I just started it. But it looks like it is. Noticed that earlier. We're closing out a Nasdaq Sells. She could be making a head and shoulders, but I want to see her actually like fall off for me to be confident in that because I like that winter chicken dinner. You dig what I'm saying? Granted, like we're on a low ass time frame, so um she goes lower than here. Trade's gone because we already put stop. Like a lot of y'all should have been stopped out already. For like nobody should really be in this trade anymore because I said stop losses, in profit or break even, like way up here. So let me turn this shit down. But yeah, stop losses should have been at break even in profit. So nobody should really be in this trade anymore. But in case anybody is, I'll help you manage it. If you are still in it and you didn't close, we're gonna leave this up and manage it. So we can make sure don't nobody on the live lose a bunches of monies and no things is like that. This does not constitute as financial advice, by the way. This does not constitute as financial advice. These are trades that I'm actually taking. I'll be showing them a lot. Where's my phone? Hold on, chat. All right. Well, if you are still in it, this is your opportunity to put your stop loss at break even, please. Please. Or in a little bit of profit, you want to leave with something. Nigga like me, I'm leaving with something. Nigga like me, I'm leaving with something. But Drip, are you still in it? It's a good question. I'm blue with the bug. I still have the first entry. See, this y'all gotta remember. This is the second entry. The first entry we got down here on the very, very, very beginning of this here Twitch live. We got up. The YouTube live was up too, but my laptop died. We had to come back, so it's on a separate live, but it's under the same title. Y'all that's chilling here, man. I freaking love y'all though, bro. Y'all are the shit. Euro still pushing lower. USDs are such a ooh-wee. Like, just look how it looks on my chart. Like, if you could see, like, you see where the entries are? Ooh, it's so ooey. Yes, they were sent in the Telegram BIP chats. I'm closing the second entry though. Hold my first one. I don't really enjoy giving money back to the markets, and the markets be moving and grooving a lot, man. Just get in, get out, get my money, leave. I'm about to close half of the first. It's already 9:33. Just gonna kind of tweaking right now. 125. Bro, I'm not high. What the fuck? My phone just did some weird ish, bro. I got closed the trade and it bought. It like moved my entry. Is that what just happened to the other spot? I closed that one though. Okay, you got close. All right, so this new broker I'm using, I'm learning. I'm learning about this new broker I'm using. So when you close a trade and you close like part of it, when you close part of the trade, it puts your entry at wherever you just closed at. If you dig what I'm saying, like that's not wonderful. That's stupid. That's actually counterintuitive. That they're trying to steal money doing that shit. So not gonna recommend them to anybody. It's one of my unregulated brokers I'll be using. But yeah, because I'm pretty sure they probably said that somewhere when I signed up. I just read past it, but yeah, no, because if I'm partially closing out, that means I think it's gonna come back to where my entry is. If you move my entry to where I'm closing out at, fuck. Let me know if y'all have ever had a broker that's done that before. First time it's happened to me. This is what raw Forex, by the way. Raw Forex does this. I don't know if it's on all their accounts. This is kind of like low high leverage. All right, yeah. Well, I was forced to close out because like they moved my. Remember the first entry? I closed half of my first entry down here, but I closed it while prices up here. They put my entry there somehow. I don't know how I don't know how that's possible. I don't know if it was a glitch but that's what just happened. So like yeah, so I closed this like in like 42 cents of profit because it's like let me go ahead and get out of that. I don't want a buy entry way up here that would uh, yeah, that's a little money grab. That's a little money grab. Hey, we learning stuff together, team. We learning stuff together. We're gonna but everybody should be out. Everybody should be clean and free of the USD ZAR trade. No. See what Nasdaq's doing. Haha. Selling off. Selling off. See if we can get like a break. Sorry, cat. All right. See if we get a break below all that. And we'll probably get some testing of this. Yeah. Cause we may just end up falling short of that, but I feel like we'll get up under that. All right. Around right here. And then go back to test some of that right there. And then fall. If we fall, we build up on top of this little X right here, then you know what I mean, she gonna woo up to the woo out. You dig what I'm saying? But it's 9:40 now. A minute. Let's go to our 1 minute. We'll watch and see. Let's just watch and see. See, she's at the equilibrium now, testing it. Doesn't seem to like it very much. Doesn't seem to like the equilibrium. It wicked. Probably is going to come down lower after another candlestick to test it again. The next candlestick's probably going to test it too. I'm probably gonna get. Like, at this point, whatever tops you fucking break, I think we gonna get this move for the week. mm, mm, I just feel like this is a little overpriced. So chilling this close to 110 is kind of crazy. And we're about to see an up move on USD. Yeah. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna let that rock out there. This is going, but I'm gonna let price fall into that entry. I want price to weaken. Yeah. All right. Gonna leave that there. Chilling for the breakout. I'm gonna go grab some food real quick. You feel me? Y'all get comfortable. We're gonna keep making this money, alright? I'll be back.
Talk project details without all the emails in Slack. Type it out, talk it out, knock it out. Work gets done in Slack.
Forex.com, the #1 Forex broker in the U.S. Part of StoneX, a Fortune 100 company, empowering traders since 2001. As a trusted broker, we allow you to trade with confidence and benefit from a proven record of stability and strength. Try Forex.com today.
What up, chat? Traded down a little bit. Now she's back to moseying a bit. Seemed like she wanted to fall a bit. Made a wick. Indecision. We're kind of just trading sideways. But it's Monday morning. It wasn't going to be the most volatile. We're going to go to about 10:30. USD ZAR's kind of trading a bunch of sideways now. She's been sideways this whole stream, really. Like, we got up in the buy, and it's just been sideways from there. The ZAR spread is so crazy.
Looking to build a chatbot for your website?
Oh no.
On Fiverr, you can find AI
Not supposed to be ads.
quickly and easily developed.
Sorry, I'm doing a bunch of R&D right now. Appreciate the sub. I appreciate the sub. We don't even need to have this up. We close that out. We ate off his divergence built up after we got in. Now we know that there's no reason to be in because it's coming back. High likelihood of the entry down here, but that's giving money back to the markets, and we don't know how it's going to react down there. You dig what I'm saying? So, probably going to get a little bounce right there. But let's tap into some news stories. You forget he's still the president sometimes. I want to get copyrighted if I'm speaking. Okay.
Even as well as he did until the very end, is testament to the fact that Donald Trump, he has a very hard, solid base of support, but it never gets above about 40 to 45%, maybe a little more at best. So his weakness is the predicate for our politics going back three elections. He was able to surmount Hillary Clinton, a uniquely unpopular opponent, but he couldn't beat Biden. And you look at the losses in the midterms, or the disappointing results in the midterms. It's all about one thing. It's about that Donald Trump, no matter how enthusiastic his supporters are, nonetheless is not a majority candidate. He might win, but he's not a majority candidate.
That's all I can say. We're a nation in decline. We were talking about that before. My phrases are copied so much, right? I use the term oftentimes in closing. We are a nation in decline. We are a failed nation. And I think it's a beautiful phrase, although I don't like the topic.
The thing is, it's crazy,
like what it represents. But
like he says that like he wasn't the president before. I mean, granted, like the Biden Harris administration did do they got in there and unraveled as much Trump stuff as possible. So it's like he had no control over that. But it's like we were doing like better than that, but like you know what I mean? It's like the relativity of it all, if you get what I'm saying.
There's a certain beauty. All of a sudden, all of these candidates, including Republicans, are saying we are a nation in decline. We are a failing nation. And I say, you know, what the hell do they have to copy me for, right? But they have a lot of words that they copy. Many of our words, we were in the plane before coming in, and our people said, we went through a list. I think we're going to release a list. Let's release it. But so many of our phrases they copy.
Don't know about the copying of the phrases. First of all, if you're a politician, you want other people to copy your phrases because it expands it. But to say we're a nation in decline is wrong. It's factually wrong. To say we're a failed nation is factually wrong. It's just wrong. Just so for Republicans out there,
I mean,
who may want to follow down that trail,
listen. Let me be very clear. Let me be very clear. I offer a bird's eye view on all of this stuff, but just because I showcase it does not mean I agree with it. I showcase it because it's there and it's information that deserves to be heard, bad or good, bad perspective or not. I'm here to help you filter through biases. That's what that's the little corner I put myself in, being able to see through bullshit. Now Trump says we're a nation in decline for certain reasons, and this guy refutes it for certain reasons. I'll help right here, right now, and step outside of that and say, listen, a police officer that was called to a resident's home because said resident was fearful murdered the resident while her hands were up and she was cowering to the floor. You dig what I'm saying? That's a nation in decline. I don't care what anybody got to say about it. That's a nation in decline. That's a society in decline. That is a human race in decline. You dig what I'm saying? Like, we hurting each other. And it happens like that. Like, instances like that. I wouldn't say I don't think it's the most here. I feel like police brutality is probably a lot worse in some of these third world countries. Like, they be going crazy. I'm talking about, like, listen, America. I'm not saying we got it great. You say like it's amazing or anything like that. But, like, you do gotta count some of the blessings. You do have to count some of our blessings. But we are gearing towards these third world countries I'm talking about. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we finna be one of them because we're becoming more and more like them. We are definitely in a nation in decline, for sure.
Let me give you some facts. America is a great nation. And the overwhelming majority of Americans and the people who will be voting for or against you this fall agree with me. America is a great nation. America is a good nation. We fed and freed more people through the years than any other country on the planet. And today,
I don't believe you. Fed and freed? You mean starved and imprisoned? Hold on. Let's do some live on stream research. You dig what I'm saying? Like, I feel like we need to do that. So biggest prison population in the world. Right. That's what I thought. That's what I was pretty sure of. We got the biggest prison population in the world. And how many, like, what percent of humans live in USA? Mm, mm, mm. So 25% of the entire prison population, yet only 4% of the entire world. Yeah. So that free part, that's dead. Okay. Now let's biggest. I don't think it's gonna be America, but I feel like I want to find a list. Yeah. Starving. All right, the Democratic Republic of the Congo has the biggest hunger crisis. Let's look at top 10. I think America might be too fat. I think it's fat. Well, I mean, no. I mean, when you get locked up in jail, you got to get fed. So, like, and then we're locking everybody up. So, okay, I don't feel like I feel like we're not in the most fed though. Like I feel like there's countries that are the most fed than we are, that could be wrong. That could definitely be wrong. But he definitely just told like a lie and then possibly a truth. Like he said, we done freed the most. Like you mean like no. You can't say you freed the most people while you've locked up the most people. It's like that. You kind of counteract it. You ain't done shit then. Like, you dig what I'm saying? I didn't even know it turned it off.
P. The Dow, higher than it's ever been, far higher than when Donald Trump was president of the United States. Donald Trump says, drill, baby, drill. Some Democrats may not like it, but if you look at the United States and its oil production, the United States has produced more oil this past year than any other country in history. Militarily, far from being a woke military.
Did we do that? Did we do that? America, did we do that? Oh sheesh. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we did that. Yeah, we did that. Yeah. Yeah. You feel me? So United States, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Canada, China. Is that consistent? Do we do that a lot? Or is that I'm pretty sure it's just now, right? Let's look at 2016. Hmm. So we weren't even on the top list. We were nowhere near it then. 2016, 17. Okay, so we became the world's top oil producer in 2018. And held that position through 2022, 2023, and maybe 2024. Okay, all right. He told the truth there. He told the truth there. He got some facts. You feel me?
Stronger relative to the rest of the world.
Oh yeah, we
any
definitely
time
got military
since
on lock.
1945.
We all know that. Nobody really
Culturally,
us on the military.
just I mean, I could talk about all of America's reach in soft power. Let's just talk about Taylor Swift going through Europe and the economic boom that is for those countries. We're strong politically. We're strong diplomatically. Again, relative to the rest of the world, America is stronger than it's ever been.
Okay, see,
there
like
just are no measurements.
It's like in economic factors, that may hold true. But see, he's looking at it from his own perspective, you know? And listen, I don't know what that guy right there on the screen had to do to get to where he's at. But I got a nagging feeling that his journey was a little bit easier than some of us out here. Right? So I wish he would be able to like take himself out of his position in life, you feel me? And be able to see that, like, while all that holds true, there like are a lot of equally important things wrong and going downhill here in the great United States of America. You know what I'm saying? And I wish more people would just be able to do that. Like I am, in a lower weight class than this guy. He's obviously in a higher weight class. You know what I mean? He's on MSNBC. They got 7.1 million subscribers, and this is a newscast. You know what I mean? That was posted on YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, obviously, I'm punching above my weight right now, but I can see like everything that was true he just said. I fact checked it real quick, and it's like, yeah, can't argue with you. I mean, it's like, yeah, I can see, you feel me, like your point of view and why you feel so strongly about it. But I also can't ignore the issues, and he's getting paid too much money to to project ignoring the issues. You know what I mean? It's like, but that's middle America right there. Like they're in the bubble and they feel like things are good because a lot of things don't really affect them that much. You know what I mean? And it's like, I'm not saying like don't live a good life. You know what I mean? Like everybody should strive to be at more peace, be at ease. But if you're gonna be the one speaking on it, then acknowledge it all for sure. I mean, that's all I'm saying.
that you can find that would suggest that we're a nation in decline. Our enemies understand we're not a nation in decline. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Again, for Republicans who, as Britt Hume said, they've been following a guy who lost in 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The view, the Trumpism view that America is a failing nation. We're a great nation. Americans are proud of their country. And Donald Trump's always talking about Vladimir Putin and what a great leader he is.
You're not talking about all.
You know, our GDP is 20.
It's like a lot of people are just happy to not be somewhere else. You know, like it's hard to have that true, real, just outright unbridled American pride when you have police killing civilians on the regular basis and no hard federal action to stop it. It's like, y'all don't like, okay, if the government doesn't care about its citizens, why would we care about its flag? It's like, I love North Carolina. You know what I mean? You want to know why I love North Carolina so much? Because for as long as I've lived here, I ain't never had listen, I had no type of issues like what and I'm not saying it's never happened in North Carolina and it can't happen in North Carolina, but I have not personally experienced any type of, and really there hasn't really been a whole bunch of like police doing extra wow woo, acting crazy. Like Carolina police ain't known to be like extra, you feel me? Like if you wilding, they gonna get on your ass. Yeah, stop wilding. You know what I'm saying? Like chill, slow down, stop tailgating. Like, you feel me? Like they gonna get on you if you doing something stupid. But like you chill like bro. People, I know it's a lot of people that drive through the Carolinas and be cool. You feel what I'm saying? Like cops don't really be extra, and I haven't really been able to experience that firsthand. But I know if I leave my state, it's dangerous in a lot of directions. What? Y'all be wilding. You feel like it's dangerous in a lot of directions outside of my home. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like, damn, it's hard to have that real deal Holyfield. Oh, I represent the whole. Nah, like Carolina. You feel what I'm saying? Woo. I got Carolina pride. I don't know if I got USA pride. I got Carolina pride. You dig what I'm saying? I love home from music, but these states be tripping. A lot of these states be tripping. Y'all be tweaking. I'm not talking about the people. I'm talking about, well, in a way, it was kind of the people, because the people elected who's there that make the decisions. So at some point, y'all got y'all wires crossed. Y'all got y'all wires crossed, because like some of the states gave, like with the whole a B word thing. I don't want to say the word because like I feel like they be kind of like shadow banners, but the whole a B word thing, get the power given back to the states. It's like a lot of people was shook. They was like, whoa, I thought my state was gonna be like cool with it after and then it wasn't. And then it's like, oh snap. It's like, at the grassroots level, people, it's like it's hard. It's hard. I know. Like I'm not voting this time around. You want to know why? And my mom would hate to hear this. My mom would hate to hear this right now. She'd be like, what you mean you're not voting? Because like, what? Bro, I can't get behind Kamala or Trump. Like Kamala's not really competent And like Trump's, he's a good businessman, but he's about to do some bad business for me. You dig what I'm saying? Like, he's about to do some bad business for a lot of Americans. It's like he said he was saying that like Kamala's policies were going to like, you know, have Americans paying more taxes and whatnot. And then he immediately, this is in his rally in Pennsylvania, he immediately in the next breath says he's gonna put tariffs on imports. I'm like, okay, all right. Did you forget how economy works, dude? You're this rich, you don't hold on. Because when you put a tariff on something, that means it's more expensive for the person that's shipping it over here, right? So what they do is they then raise their price a little bit because they're like, whoa, we gotta pay a little bit more for to get over there and shit. Okay, well, we just gonna raise the price of the goods a little bit, so it'll just cancel out that cost. That's what happens. Like that's so the consumer pays that anyway. So both of them are about to, like, they both talking like they're about to save the economy while they're both telling us to our face that they about to put more costs on consumers. Like, and y'all not hearing me. Overthrow the government. No, I ain't say that. I ain't say that. Y'all not hearing me. Clip that. Y'all not hearing me. Y'all not hearing me. They probably shadow banning me because I'm talking too much. Y'all not hearing me. What's that at the 150? Right at the 2 hour mark. All right, yeah. I'm probably finna yeah, it's 10:30 now. We finna finish this right here, and then we're gonna do
7 trillion. Russia's is 1.4 trillion and probably dropping right now. Texas has a higher GDP every year than Russia, the entire country. California, which is supposed to be failing, has the 4th largest GDP on the planet. That's how powerful we are. So I could go on and on. It's just it's exhausting hearing Donald Trump and other Republicans say we're a failing country, that we're a nation in decline. It's just not true. And, you know, Thomas Paine talked about sunshine patriots, talked about summer soldiers and sunshine patriots. Well, that doesn't even define what this Republican Party is, because it is summer.
Let me look up something real quick. Let's look up the homeless rate by year. Okay. Okay, so while we're going up in all of those, that pissed me off. So while we're going up in all of those statistics, right? While we're going up in all of those facts he mentioned, right? The number of people experiencing homelessness in the United States increased by 12.1% from 2022, reaching a record high of over 653,104,000 people. This is the highest number of homeless people since at least 2007, when the number was 647,258 people. The increase was due to a 3% increase in unsheltered people and 2% increase in sheltered people. But we're not a nation in decline. We're not a nation in decline, guys. We are not a nation in decline. We're going up. We making more money. We making more money, guys. But we're making more money. But we're making more money. California making all of this money though. Hold on. Oh, I fucking spelled that shit wrong. I'm fucking weak. Why ain't nobody say in the chat that I had it spelled wrong? I didn't even look at it. Okay, so from 2005 to 2015, it decreased by 43%, but then in 2010 to 2020, homelessness rate it increased by 31%. While the national rate was doing a little bit of a decrease. From 2020 to 2022, it increased by another 6%. So putting it around 37 back from that initial 47% drop. So from 2005, it's down just a wee bit, while the national rate increased by less than 0.5% in 2023. Oh, well, no, it's blew that out. Yeah, because in 2023, the rate increased by 5% in the states. So, okay. So, while it's got what he said, the third or the fifth highest GDP on the planet or whatever. And at the same time, the rate of homelessness is going up by a whopping 5%. We're going up, guys. We're not in decline. We're not in decline. We're fine. We're fine, guys. We're not in decline. The nation's not in decline, guys. We're making more money. We're making more money. Whatever, whatever, dog.
In America, economically, it is somewhere in America. Militarily, again, more power.
This is why I offer this perspective, because like there's probably people that like, you know what I'm saying, just like watch and you know, they're like, well, there's all these statistics and they're like, well, shit, we're not in decline. And then, you know, you watch a video like this, you watch me and you're like, okay, well, those statistics right there. Oy vey. I don't know, man. Bird's eye view.
Ever. And yet they're attacking us. And it is a strange form of patriotism that says America is only great if one leader is in power. And if that leader is not in power, then America is in decline. The jury system and our court system can't be trusted. The economy is
the jury system and our court system can't be trusted. National security can't be trusted. Border security obviously can't be trusted. They don't even remember how to do their job anymore. Homeland security, oof. I think they're the ones you can't trust the most. Bro, like the faith, we have no faith. America ain't got no faith in y'all no more. Y'all lied too much. It's like, yo, big media like this and the government, like they work together. You know what I mean? Like it's us. I'm not talking about my skin tone. I'm talking about us, level of life. You dig what I'm saying? Like vision. You dig what I'm saying? Versus them, the people that's ignoring, not seeing, or perpetuating the bullshit. And we not buying it. We're not buying it. We're not buying what you're trying to sell. You dig what I'm saying? And I don't know. I feel like things have cooled down after tensions were pretty high for a little while here in America. But it's a powder keg. America's a powder keg right now. So I hope the powers that be decide to move right, because BLM was nothing. And I don't condone everything that they were doing or anything like that. Like they were going crazy. But like as far as the anger, bro, those a lot of the BS that came with BLM were the greedy. You ain't even get to feel the angry. The angry stayed home. The angry stayed home. The real angry, the angry that could really see, because it's a different level of anger when you like really truly understand what's going on in these political and financial spaces and whatnot, right? It's like when the angry stand up, that's when it's going to be a problem. Those are the greedy. They take advantage of situations and whatnot. And I'm not saying everybody was, because there were peaceful I know like they like to say that the BLM protests weren't peaceful, but there were peaceful BLM protests. Media be saying that. It's like I saw some. Like it wasn't destroying nothing. It was just there with signs and chanting and walking. Like they wasn't blocking nobody. They was like taking up no space. They was just walking. It's like not a parade, but like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, so that ain't peaceful protesting. I don't know what is. But they'll spin it how they spin it. You dig what I'm saying? I'm finna get off here. We just crossed over our 2-hour mark on YouTube. We crossed over our 3-hour mark on Twitch. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's been lovely. I'm gonna be back on probably tonight to kick it with y'all for the late night little dinner session that usually be around like 9:30, 10 o'clock type what time it is. You feel what I'm saying? If I'm not on by like 10:30, then I'm either not getting on or I'm gonna pop up on y'all like 12. That's how I really be just like popping up on y'all type. But I like to do the morning streams. I love the morning streams. Kick the day off. And then there's some, I got some content for the midday. I'm gonna be shooting more content later on. I'm doing let me check my itinerary. I'm organized now. I got all my next couple of videos already. You feel me? We wiped out. Oh yeah. So I compiled the top 10 tools for entrepreneurs in ouch, in 2024. Free tools to help you like start, manage, maintain, grow your business. You feel me? So that video is gonna drop later, or it's gonna let's say Monday. It's gonna drop on Tuesday. Yeah, new episodes, new those videos on Tuesday, and then but I'm doing a major market breakdown, so I'm gonna just go through and drop bias and direction for Nasdaq, Euro USD, AU USD, GP USD, gold, and oil, and Nvidia and Meta, and then yeah, yeah, so we definitely got some stuff for yeah. Y'all gonna get y'all content for sure. All right. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. All right.